my channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess. And today I'm coming to you to bring you a video with a review, with a closet tour, and information on the giveaway. So I hope you all stay tuned throughout this video to get more information. So the first thing I'm going to do is unbox this light. So this came in the mail and I've already opened it just to see y'all because I can't wait or whatever. But it's a nice little LED light that it goes up under the cabinet. In the box, there were the instructions and a card, but you don't need any instructions because it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I think we can do this, you know, without the instructions. So it came with 2 pieces of like tape, and it was secured in here for real, y'all. So 2 pieces of tape to put to use to adhere the light to the cabinet or whatever. They have a USB cord to charge the light. But the thing is that we're not going to use it under the cabinet. Of course, we're going to use it in the closet, y'all. So that's why it took me so long to do this review. But, you know, it is what it is. So it's supposed to have it to where it's like motion sensor. I love this that you can change, like, you see that? You can change the different modes, and then that's basically the, you know, touch, the motion or whatever. And then this is just the regular one, but you get to change the different modes off of this too. Y'all, I really like this light. I mean, I was thinking like a longer one because they do have different kinds on Amazon, and I am going to put the link in the description for this light. But let's go ahead and go put it in my room, y'all, so we can see how it looks like in, you know, in its prime. Let's see how it looks, what it does. So y'all stay tuned. Give me a sec and I'm on my way to the bedroom. Okay, Glamfam, so this is my robe on the door to my closet, y'all. I'm about to open this door. I am so excited, y'all. Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all everything that I did. These makeup containers, I just glued them onto the mirror so that I can have easy access to it. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, so I don't have a lot of makeup. I just have like foundation, eyeliner, and like lip gloss or whatever, so that's pretty much what I use. These are my lashes. My son and his wife, they have their own brand of lashes, so I use those. They are gorgeous. Y'all see me be batting my eyes at y'all. So I put on my shoes and my purses that matched. I kind of like put them all together or whatever, but just so y'all know, I have 4 closets. This is just a closet that you know, have mostly all of the stuff that I, you know, kind of like use like immediately or just easy access. These are my robes I have in my closet or whatever, and my bags and stuff, and my crown, y'all. Look at my crown. My crown is gorgeous. I have these, I found this purse, y'all, at Marshall's, and I just had to have it. It was so cute with the UGG boots. I thought it was super cute. My son and his wife gave me those. So, y'all, these are my shoes, and these are the shoes I actually wear, you know, just randomly or whatever. So my boots and long coats and all of that's upstairs, and my formal clothes, that's in another place. So I just, you know, have different. Okay, so I wanted y'all to know that when I first moved here, the closet had the regular white wire like shelves. And what I did was I went online on Walmart.com and I got these bookcases. These are bookcases from Walmart.com. And they were like 2 for maybe $40-some. So I got 2 of those. Then I got this from, I believe it was Target. And they're like stackable shelves. I mean stackable drawers. And I put my uniforms in there for work. And these were from, I think, Walmart.com as well, or Amazon, maybe Amazon, but they're just stackable shelves as well. And this last one I got, I believe I got this from Walmart.com as well. So my idea was to get the pack system and do that in the closet. Well, the pack system was $1,000 from IKEA, and I decided to, you know, just go ahead and make my own. And that's what happened. So you all can definitely take a small closet and use some bookshelves, I'm sorry, to organize your closet. It's just that simple, y'all. Okay, so I use these storage bins to put my towels in, because like I said, this closet is actually in my bathroom. So what I do is the jeans that I normally wear, you know, I just roll them up and put them in the closet. That gives me a lot of room. I have like 30 pair, so that's, I'm able to, you know, easily get to them, like easy access to them. And I don't iron, y'all. I put it in the dryer. So let's see, the setup you see here, I made this about a year ago actually, and I just, you know, did the bling wrap and stuff. I did that over, and that's pretty much it. The pearl beads, I got those from Amazon, y'all. The Chanel mirror, I made that. It's a DIY, y'all. That's the light, asoko light. It is so pretty. It shines really, really good on the material. Okay, y'all. So this is the asoko light, and you can see how much light is given. I really do like this light. I may order a few for the other side. The only thing is that they're not remote control, but I'm sure that they do have that option, but this is not. Okay, so I know y'all, I just made this, and I know y'all just saw this. I love this. This is like the best part of the closet, I think. I love this. These are my belts. I have a few belts in this closet. It's about, I think, what, 12 maybe, or whatever, in this closet. And I keep hats in that storage, those storage bins or whatever. Now, this is some of the jewelry that I have. And I made these. This is the IKEA dupe that I tried to duplicate the IKEA shelves. So I really do like this though, y'all. I think I did a great job. And this is the table that I made. It just houses the Pandora bracelets and all that kind of stuff in there. Y'all see that little lipstick container, whatever I made. Yep, this is a good way to house your glasses or shades or whatever you want to do. This is a good way that you can keep them out your way. I don't do a lot of shades. I don't wear a lot of shades, so I don't have a whole lot of them. But I do, like, you know, the setup here. So I think that this is probably, I don't know, like, this was like, oh, Family Dollar. Yeah, I got these little shelves from Family Dollar, and it was like 3 of them for $10, something like that. This is so old. But y'all, I do have the video for my previous, the way my room previously was, and I'm going to do the room tour. Once I do the room tour, then I'm going to show you all. Unless you look at my videos, you can see my old bedroom and how this closet was before, the before and the after. Well, honey, I'm sparkly. This is so sparkly. I love it. I hope y'all like it. Okay, so my little Givenchy perfume and lotion, I just loved this box, so I just had to display this box in here. I bought this little stand from Dee Dee's. It's a local store in Tennessee. And I also bought the mirror. I got that from Michael's. If there's anything in here, y'all, that y'all want to know about, then just, you know, email me or put it in the comments, something that you want, because a lot of this stuff is old, like I've been had it or whatever, and I redid it or something like that. But either way, I hope y'all like what you see. Okay, y'all, so that's my chandelier, y'all. So I hope y'all like what y'all see. I know this was a quick and simple video, and I hope y'all love this pink, because I do. And y'all, so I have the pink and I have gray hangers. So, okay, so I have pink hangers on this side because these are the lighter clothes that, you know, I just like my pinks and my yellows and all that, you know, light grays and stuff like that. And then I have the gray for the darker colors. I just want to be able to separate the colors, you know, like light and dark colors. I don't know why I do that, but I like doing that. So y'all, that's something to think about, like when you're organizing your closet. So while we look around, y'all, I just want to tell y'all how we're going to do this giveaway. So what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of like we did last time. We're just going to put in the comment Glamify. Glamify in the comments. And I'm going to, you know, put everybody's name in a bowl or whatever, and then pick 2 names out of that for the Amazon gift card, okay? So y'all, don't forget, put Glamify in the comments. Okay, so I just want to thank you all for always supporting me. I was so excited to do this, and I love doing this, y'all. So I appreciate every last one of you, your comments, and just the support. I just feel so blessed for that reason, and I hope you all continue to support, and I hope you all like what you see. And if you do, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find her like this, oh God? You still ain't got a problem, my dog.